更差一点啊！就在我前面呢。
If destiny is determined by millimeters, then this is the most vivid proof. Escaping death by a hair's breadth, the driver had an unforgettable memory with his excavator. A failed escape attempt turned into a scene of the gas station collapsing like dominoes. The truck sluggishly climbed onto the barge, but before it could make it, the whole vehicle tumbled into the river. Everyone held their breath as the dangling excavator suddenly dropped without warning. A small slip on the roadside turned into a free-fall disaster. Before the cargo could even be loaded onto the truck, the crane had already given up in a chaotic scene. One careless second triggered a chain of terrifying collisions. This is no longer just an accident, but a bone-deep lesson for anyone who disregards red lights. While lifting the yacht like a hero, the crane suddenly turned into a near traitor. Have you ever seen someone abandon all their possessions just to save their life? This is it. Do you call this luck? Or a final warning from the Grim Reaper? The trailer just got stuck on the tracks and the train horn blared. That was no longer a warning, but a countdown. This was a horrific accident, but the sight of the driver stepping out of the vehicle was the biggest twist. The driver slammed the brakes with all his strength, but thank you all for watching until the very last minute. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting upcoming content. We promise to bring you even more authentic, dramatic, and emotional footage. See you in the next video.